Come, okay. Lesson number 7, circle. Okay, in circles, what we have learned, okay, three things we have learned. Okay, in a circle, first thing was radius. From the center point joining the edge of the circle is known as the radius. Correct? Understood? Second thing what we have to learn is regarding the diameter. Diameter is nothing, a line which starts from the edge of one side of the circle and it passes through the center and touch the other edge of the circle. That is known as diameter. And third thing is the chord. Now what is the chord? It does not passes through the center point, not it start from the center point. It is drawn by the from one edge of the circle to the another edge. That is known as chord. Yes, understood? So now you all know how to draw the circle. मालूम है ना क्या करने का? First we will take the radius, whatever measure it is, 2 centimeter. Okay, we will keep the compass on this center point and from here we will draw an circle. This is the circle of radius 2 centimeter. Okay. Now the next thing is what we have to learn, we have already learned, is the radius. What is radius? Half of diameter. Now this is the diameter full line. Radius is half. So what we will write? Half of diameter is radius. Correct? सही है ना? Now this is what when we have to diameter is given, we have to find the radius. Now suppose diameter is given and we have to find the radius. So radius is what? This is half. So when we have to make it diameter, it will be 2 times of the radius. So we will write 2 times of radius is diameter. You can also write as radius equals to 1 upon 2 multiplied by the diameter, and diameter equals to 2 into radius. Correct? Understood? Now we will solve one problem so that you come to understand that how it is being solved. Just give me duster.
Yeah, ma'am. From where?
Yes.
Acha, this is the.
Okay, one table is there in your problem set number 29. Okay, PS 29. If you see, our table is drawn like this. Okay, and radius and diameter. I hope I am teaching very well. Correct? If radius is given and diameter we have to find. Somewhere diameter is given and we have to find the radius. Okay? And one again, radius is given, we have to find the diameter, and diameter is given, we have to find the radius. Now it is very easy. We know the formula here. Radius is given. Okay? We have to find the diameter. Sorry. We have to find the, what we have to find, that we have to write. Diameter equals to, what is 2 into radius. Now what is 2 into radius is given? 4 centimeter. So we will write 8 centimeter is our diameter. Clear? Now the second one, diameter is given, we have to find the radius. So radius is 1 upon 2 into diameter. So this is 1 upon 2 into diameter is our 16 centimeter. So we will simplify. 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16. So 1 into 8 equals to 8 centimeter is our radius. Yes. Then we come to the third one. Now radius is given. We have to find the diameter. Again, diameter is equal to 2 into radius. So our radius is what? 2 into 9 centimeter. 2 nines are 18. Then we come to the fourth one. Okay. Fourth one is what? Radius. Here diameter is given and we have to find the radius. So our radius is 1 upon 2 into diameter. So what is 1 upon 2? 1 upon 2 and the diameter is 22 centimeter. If we simplify, 2 ones are 2, 2 11s are 22. So we will get 1 into 22, that is 22 centimeter is our radius. Is that clear? समझ में आ गया सबको? Yes? I am clear? Okay, very nice.
Yes, miss.
Now we come to the next topic in this chapter is regarding the, okay, I'll just first rub the board and then we will proceed. Okay. Now next concept, what is that? We have to find the points. We have to name the points. Okay, interior and exterior, interior and exterior points on the and points on the circle. Okay, I'll draw one circle. Here I will point P, Q, R, then point S, point T, point X, point Y. Now here first thing what we have to write is the interior points. Okay, the points inside the circles are known as the interior points. So you will write points, okay, P, Q, R are interior points. Okay, second one, the points which are outside the circle, that is exterior points,
Venn diagram.
equals to points that are X and Y. And the last is the points on the circle. Okay, that are points S and T. Clear? समझ में आ गया सबको? Understood? Don't open your mouth so big. Okay. And the last thing what we have to study in this chapter circle is, I hope this is a proper way like you could have understand. Okay? Yes? We will like this take slowly all the chapters like this on the board. Okay? Now last one thing is to find write the how to write an arc of a circle. Now here we'll draw an arc. We will write points. Okay, A, C, B, D. Okay. Now arc is always written with the 3 letters. It is not written with any time with the 2 letters. So we will write it as arc A, B, C. Starting from 1 and 2. This is the starting point, that is the A, and ending point is C. You see it? And if we start from B to D, we'll write R, B, C, D. If suppose we start from the R, C to A, so we will write it R, C, D, A. And the last one is, if we start from D and B, we will write it D A B. Clear? सबको समझ में आ गया? Am I clear with this? Okay. Anything you have to ask in circle?
Yes, miss.
सबको समझ में आ गया? Yes? Okay. अभी मैं हाँ ये ओवरऑल एक प्रॉब्लम
Yes,
करूँगी.
miss.
Overall one problem we will do. In that we will write everything and then we will wind up the class. Now one circle I will draw like this. Okay. Here one, this is the center P. Okay, S T A B, then point X Y C P Q R. Okay, now first thing we will P now we will first write what is the radius. Radius is segment. We'll write segment as SE. Segment PD. Now here diameter is segment ST. And then chord equals to segment AB. Correct? And then interior points is equal to points X, Y. Exterior points is equal to point Q and R. Point Q and R. Then points on the circle.
जोर से बोलो.
Circle equals to point. Okay. Now see on the circle how many points are there? Points C, T, D. Okay. B, P, A and S. So points C, T, D, B, P, A and S are the points on the circle. Now suppose the radius is 5 centimeter. Okay, radius equals to 5 centimeter. So diameter equals to how much? That is 2 into R. Radius, that is 2 into 5, that is 10 centimeter. Okay. Similarly, second thing, radius equals to half of diameter. If we know the diameter, now we came to know the diameter is 10 centimeter. So we will just clarify it is correct or not. So 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. So it is 5 centimeter. Radius is 5 centimeter. This is only there in this chapter. I hope this chapter is very clear. Yes? Okay. Anything you want to?
Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
You can
Yes, miss.
stop it. You can ask if